Hey guys, we're going to give you an exclusive look at an interior cabin. Come on in. Let's show them the restroom first. So all the interior cabins I've seen so far pretty much look like this. Very similar. I've probably been in 4 or 5 now. They do all have the hanging nozzle for the shower. It's a little bit bigger than most interior showers I've been in on other cruise ships, so that's lovely. There's a little bit of storage here on the counter, and as you see down here, there's a little storage if you want to put some bins for trash. And then up here, these are the old towel racks. If you purchase a villa, you will have the towels, of course, provided, but they do have this extra rack. So we went and bought towels that match our color theme and added those as well. And we'll show you our cabin soon. We just wanted you to see an empty one in all her glory. Back here in the corner, you'll see medicine cabinets. And most rooms have it, though I have seen some rooms that do not. So every cabin's a little bit different, but some things are standard. I have heard someone say they don't have those. The room and the beds are separate. A lot of solos have asked for one of the beds to be removed, and then it's amazing how large the rooms seem. They can be pushed together for a queen size. And here is a different angle of the room. Where I'm standing is a place where you can have a chair. Some people have some chairs, some people just have a space. Here we have a nice light. There's a two-way. There's a reading light and a light bulb light. So 2 different switches separate. I believe that's a 43-inch TV. And Steve's going to move it for you so you can see how it pulls out. And here's a nice shelving system. This one looks to have a few Euro and US plugs, phone, air knob. You can control your air. There's some voltage information there. So definitely a US and a Euro plug. Decent amount of storage there. Hey, Fran! So the TV pulls out so you can angle it. So if you want it to face, the bed one way, if you're sitting in the corner in the chair, you can face it the other way. So that's a nice feature. The TV is full of programs already. They have movies on there, everything from the weather. If you've ever been on a princess cruise, it's very similar to that. Here's a nice desk. Show you some of the storage. That's where the hairdryer is stored for. There's one in each cabin. They've already provided that. I'm actually using this for my socks and underclothes in my cabin or my villa, and the bottom one I think I use for pants and shorts. You can use it whatever works. I actually have this one for my makeup drawer. It's very shallow, but it fits that type of thing perfectly. And here we have storage, top shelf, middle shelf. There is a hanging bar. It's pretty dark here, but that is a safe with a key. This one in particular has a key. It's pretty small. I couldn't fit a whole laptop in it, but some small things, anything valuable, jewelry or money and such. There's a second closet. You can add a second rack. This is where the mini fridge goes. So we have one of those, and we'll show you that in more detail when we do the video of our room. You can add a second bar there. I'm using both bars. My closet, I currently have 55 hangers in use on the one side, and I still have space. I was pleasantly surprised. I can't believe that many things fit in there. A lot of people have a chair in that space. So there's another light, both a reading light and a top light. So you can fit a chair there, and they do have them on the ship. I've seen them all over. Some people don't want them, so I'm sure they'll have an extra one if you choose to buy this particular cabin. Under the bed storage, we have 6 bins. That was about a 9.5-inch space, so we have 6 bins that we use for storage, slide out, extra shoes, those type of things. So 6016. It is available for purchase. Just check the description below. We have a link there that'll take you right to the Villa Vie site, and you can look up all pricing. And this is what a 6'2" man looks like sleeping in an interior villa. So this one is at the front or the bow of the ship. So here I am walking towards the front, and if you turn one way, there's a door to outside. They're working on replacing the carpet. Remember, we're at the very beginning, and they still have a few things under construction, but they are working on it and fixing it all up. And then there's also an exit there to the outside, so you're really close there. All right, now we're going from one extreme to the next, and we're going from the interior 6016. All right, guys, we're going from one extreme of an interior to a balcony suite. Come on in. Air controller, a little different. Wow. Now that is a nice closet. Steve, you want to open the first few cabinets for me? Nice. Thank you, sir. Maybe next, do another one. Lovely. And then here is the restroom in the balcony suite. Nice desk area. Okay, I need everyone to go to my YouTube channel and watch all the videos 5 times. Need to make some money so I can live here. Woo! This is amazing. Interesting photo. If you're into the daily news, or you might be coming on here to forget about the news. But you could have that replaced, removed, or bring in your own artwork. It's all an option if you make that purchase. Remote control. My favorite light switch when you don't have to get out of bed. You just push the button. Show you the balcony. Very spacious. 4 seats and all of this space. Lovely. Nice seating area. Another desk area, maybe one side for a desk, one for a makeup station. Large TV that pivots both towards the living room and towards the bed. We'll have Steve pull that out. More artwork.
When I grow up, I want to live here someday. So Steve has that TV. You can turn it, watch it all the way from your bed. Alright, so balcony suite, guys, this is it. Safe, lots more storage. This is the other side of the closet. I showed you the left side. This is the right side, or his and hers, or hers and hers. If you want 5, give the spouse 1, whatever works. I mean, there's lipstick, so it's got to be all for the women. What do you think, Fran?
Oh, this is nice. Lots of space here. Great TV. Amazing balcony. This is set up for you.
Yep. Come join us. We'd love to have you.
Now it's time, what you've all been waiting for, a tour of our villa. And we'll show you in the next video.